guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it has been so long and like I have not been in front of a camera and I miss it so much, and like I'm really gonna cry just thinking about it. I know I have been gone for 4 months and I am so sorry, but school really was kicking my butt and I had to like focus on my studies and just really get into the zone. So that's why I kind of like abandoned my YouTube for like a couple months. So to kick things off, today's video is going to be a how to dress like a baddie on a budget, because I love videos like this. I feel like they're really helpful because I always watch them and like I get some really helpful tips, because I am not Kylie Jenner and I cannot afford 10 Cartier bracelets and a shopping spree to Urban Outfitters. I wish, but that's not how my life goes. So yeah. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I love you guys, and let's get on with the video. So I'm just going to be showing you a few items that I've gotten and that how I kind of obtained them without breaking the bank, because it's hard out here for a college student. It is very, very hard, and if you are in college, then you know my struggle, because it's just a hard life we live. I wrote down everything on my phone so I wouldn't forget, but the first thing that I wanted to talk about was the like coveted Calvin Klein bras, like the Calvin Klein sets that you always see on Instagram, Tumblr, Twitter, wherever. I don't even know if people use Tumblr anymore, but Tumblr. But like, yeah, I have seen those sets and I know they're so expensive. I see them at Urban Outfitters for like $30, $28 for just the bra, not even for the underwear, like just a bra, and I'm like, no. So I usually go shopping at like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and you could go there and get the same Calvin Klein bra sets from those stores. I promise you. Every time I go to Marshalls or TJ Maxx, I see some kind of like Calvin Klein set or some kind of like underwear or like bra underwear set. Like I always see those. So if you are looking for some Calvin Klein sets, I recommend. I'm going to be showing you guys some that I've recently gotten. The white one, and mind you, these were all like $10. Probably like $10 each or $10 for two, which was like a really good deal. So this one, you know, it's just like the simple white one. And then I also, other than Calvin Klein, I also found this one from Tommy Hilfiger, and it was $10. So get you a Marshalls, TJ Maxx, go in there. I feel like this is the best thing ever and everyone needs to know this. I actually took a Snapchat of this because I was so surprised, but I went into Ross, and I don't know if you guys know what Ross is, but it's kind of like a TJ Maxx or a Marshalls, and I went in there and I saw this Calvin Klein set, okay? Oh, not set. This Calvin Klein bra, okay? Very cute, pink. It had the Urban Outfitters tag on it, and it said that it was $38, and I was like, what? And guess how much it was on sale for at Ross? $3.47. I'm going to put the Snapchat right here so you guys can see that I'm not lying, that like I literally found this and I almost cried. Like $3 for this, and this was from Urban Outfitters, like straight from Urban Outfitters. So you guys, tell you, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, they are the plug. They have everything. Since we're on the topic of Urban Outfitters, I also found this bra from Urban Outfitters, and don't mind this stain. I actually got it like this, but I was just gonna wash it because it's too cute to not buy. I think this was, oh, $11 at Urban Outfitters in the sales section. So if you guys want to get stuff from Urban Outfitters, I recommend going right now, because like it's after Christmas and they're having a lot of sales. So I recommend going there right now. Go to the sales section, because I think their sales section is like 40% off right now. So that's really good, and that's how I got this for like 11 bucks. So moving on, I know that like it is now sweater weather and everyone's wearing these cute sweaters, these cute Champion sweaters from like Urban Outfitters, and they just look really cute. I see it all on Instagram and I'm like, oh my gosh, like I need a Champion sweatshirt. Like that's all I need. Well, I have a deal for you, and it's not really Champion, but it's like the same style as Champion, and it is literally more than half of what you'd pay for a regular Champion sweatsuit. So I was at Walmart, yes, Walmart, and Walmart actually used to sell Champion until like Kylie Jenner started wearing it, and then, you know, all that happened, and now Champion's like $50. So no. So I went to Walmart and I was walking inside and I literally saw this bright orange sweatshirt, and I was like, oh my gosh. I was literally looking everywhere for just like a regular bright orange sweatshirt that I can just wear with like some jeans and just look really comfy, like casual, cute, you know. But I found this, and this was $5 at Walmart, literally $5 in the men's section. I was so happy. I got this in a size small because the men's section runs really big. But this is from, actually no, I got this in medium. Ooh, my bad. This is from Fruit of the Loom, and I have a feeling Fruit of the Loom is probably gonna come back and everyone's gonna be wearing Fruit of the Loom. Jump on that wave, go to Walmart and get you some Fruit of the Loom. They have so many colors. They had like a bright gray one, like a bright yellow one, like a highlighter color, which is really pretty. And then they also have the matching sweatpants as well, but I couldn't find the matching sweatpants to this because I don't know, maybe it like sold out or something. But yeah, now these are probably my most favorite, like my favorite pair of shoes that I probably ever owned, because I was watching a video like how to dress like a baddie on a budget, and this girl said that she got these shoes, like these knockoff shoes that I'm about to show you, and she got them from this website that I was like, what? Like they sell shoes like this? And I was freaking out. So I got on the website and I bought the shoes, and it was probably the best decision that I ever made. But guys, can we just take a moment to appreciate these shoes? These are basically a knockoff of like the Gucci Princetown shoes, and I'll put a screenshot of it right here so you guys know what I'm talking about. But these literally look exactly like the Gucci Princetown shoes, and those shoes are literally like $1,000 and like 40 something dollars. I don't know, they're really expensive. I got these from Zaful.com for $40. $40. And if you guys are interested, I'm gonna see if I can find the same link to where I got these shoes, and I'll put them in the down bar for you guys, because I got you, you know, we can all be matching, because these shoes are fire. I was wearing some ripped jeans, like a regular like gray sweater, and then I wore these, and it just took the outfit to another level. Like I just felt so cute, like it was so comfy, like I just felt like a baddie, like hence baddie on a budget. Like this is it. I wear them all the time now because they're actually really comfortable, and I wore them without socks in literally like 40-degree weather, and my feet were not cold at all. Like these are the plug. If you guys are looking for some shoes that look like the Gucci Princetown shoes but are not, like obviously not the exact ones, I recommend going to Zaful and see where you can find them. I also saw these shoes on fashionnova.com as well, so if you guys are interested and you guys really like Fashion Nova, you can find these too. And they also had different colors on the Fashion Nova website. Like they had like a pink one, which was like velvet, just like this, because this one's kind of like a velvet material. Go to Zaful.com or go to fashionnova.com and see if you can find these. I will put the link down below, as I said earlier. But yeah, these are like my babies and I love them. Okay, so last but not least, I just want to go into like accessories. So I wanted to talk about these glasses that I found. These are actually my dad's glasses that he had from like the 90s, but I've seen these glasses literally everywhere. Like everyone's been wearing them. They're on Instagram. I'll try and find some pictures, but you guys won't know what I'm talking about. They're like these cute 90s glasses, and these are like the Ray-Ban versions, but like my dad got these a really long time ago when they were like really popular, and he still had them. So I was like, if I put them on right now, like they just look very like very cute, very different. I see like Kelsey Simone. I love Kelsey Simone. I saw her wearing glasses like these and I was like, oh my gosh, these are so cute. I go on any site, like these are really expensive. To find these glasses, I would recommend going to your local thrift store and see if you can find these glasses in like the sunglass section. But they are very cute. I love them so much. I kind of like to just wear them like kind of on my nose, and like very cute, you know. You put them up here, like it's just, I think they're so cute. I don't know, like a lot of people probably yell at me and like think I'm weird wearing these glasses, but I think they're adorable. But that was it for my baddie on a budget video. Thank you all for watching. I love you so much, and like I am so glad to be back filming. I'm gonna try and film as much as I possibly can because I really miss the camera, and like I miss YouTube so much, and it was literally hurting me inside to not post because I was in school and literally it was just killing me. So make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to be notified when I post more videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.